was smell-o-vision because we are making grilled tenderloin steaks with bacon mushroom stuffing. Charlene, it smells amazing in here. We have Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And as you can tell, we're talking beef today, which is kind of interesting. Some people might not connect beef and soybeans, right?
They may not. And the use of soybeans here, well, it's a couple of fold, but the major use of soybeans in the state of Kansas is to feed livestock.
Grows our beef, right.
So I thought since it's May Beef Month and it's National Grilling Month, let's combine everything and come up with some great recipes for that barbecue grill. So what I have here, and Chris, I know you like bacon.
Oh, I love bacon. I don't like it. I love it.
There are 2 strips of bacon that I've just cut into about 1/2 inch pieces. Now, Reagan, you're going to add the onion. There's 2 tablespoons of chopped onion and 2 tablespoons of mushrooms. You can go ahead and add that.
There.
And we're just really going to saute that a little bit to tenderize that
Whoa,
onion.
mushrooms went rogue.
You did great. Thank you.
Boy.
Now, you're going to add, why don't you can add that first.
You want me to add that? No, what do you want me to add first?
No, that's
okay.
good.
All right.
That's good. This is 1/4 cup of just a cornbread stuffing mix, and you can add the water.
Water.
And that's just going to cook into a stuffing mix. And I have one already fixed here. See? And with an extra mushroom. That's
There we go. I knew I did that for a reason.
Yes, you did. And now what we have here, I love these. These are really nice cuts of meat. These are tenderloin steaks. And what I did is took a sharp knife and cut a slit in there. And what we're going to do then is put that filling, divide it in half. We have 2 of these steaks. We'll divide that in half. And then I have 2 skewers. You see that skewer there? You can use any kind of wooden skewer. And then after you stuff that, then just put that through there.
Ooh, looking good.
Put that on the grill. And you could soak those in water ahead of time.
So they don't catch on fire on the grill,
so they don't
right?
catch on fire.
Okay.
And then there's our thermometer out there. I'm
Very
going to
important.
turn this down now so we don't.
We don't burn the...
Don't want to burn the bacon. The other part of that is that we want to use the thermometer so we get it the exact doneness that you want for your steak and your steak. And we do have a chart on our website so that you can refresh your memory of what those are. The other part of this, and I hadn't told you this, but this has a bacon glaze that goes on it at the very end. So we're going to cook a little bit more bacon. We're going to add some balsamic vinegar, a little bit of vegetable oil, and brown sugar, and cook that to make a sauce, and then spoon that on that glaze right before we serve it.
Very nice.
And all of this is on the website, right?
At kansassoybeans.org.
All right, looks great.
All right, everybody can resume their morning now. I know a lot of the guys out there just stopped and watched in front of the camera, so in front of the television. Charlene, thanks for that. Again, kansassoybeans.org. We'll be right back.